Hello, today's topic?
At the cinema.
What movie do you want to see?
I'm not sure. What's playing?
There's a new action movie out.
That sounds exciting. Let's see that.
Great choice. What time does it start?
Starts at 7:00 p.m.
Perfect, we have some time to spare.
Do you want to get popcorn?
Yes, and maybe some soda too.
Let's grab our tickets first.
Good idea. I'll buy them online.
Do you have a preference for seats?
I like sitting in the middle rows.
Me too, it's the best view.
I'll select seats in the middle then.
Thank you for getting the tickets.
No problem. Let's head to the theater.
I'm so excited to see this movie.
Me too. I heard it has great reviews.
I hope it lives up to the hype.
Even if it doesn't, it'll be fun.
You're right. It's about the experience.
Exactly. Let's enjoy our time together.
Here are our tickets. Let's go in.
Wow, the theater is packed.
We'd better find our seats quickly.
I found them. Let's sit down.
This is going to be awesome.
I can't wait for the movie to start.
Vocabulary.
Cinema. Movie. Play. Action. Exciting. Choice. Popcorn. Soda. Ticket. Online. Preference. Seat. Middle. View. Theater. Experience. Review. Hype. Awesome. Together.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.